Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a volcano in eruption while we learn Spanish. We draw the volcano. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which magma and gases are released. Earth's crust in Spanish is CORTEZA terrestre. Gas in Spanish is said gas. They are spelled the same and pronounced very similarly. Now we draw the lava. Be careful because it burns. Burn in Spanish is said QUEMAR. Very good! Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. We painted their eyes black. Black in Spanish is NEGRO. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say volcano in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the brown. That is said, MARRON. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Now we use the gray color, which in Spanish is GRIS. Let's go with orange, that in Spanish is said NARANJA. Let's see if you know the answer. Volcano in Spanish is VOLCÁN. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.